Make greatness with Robo R2 high-performance smart 3D printer with Wi-Fi. Its spacious 8x8 by 10-inch print size lets you tackle large-scale projects with ease. The removable heated print bed ensures a quality finish every time, with a metal extruder that also supports PLA, ABS, and other specialty filaments. The built-in 5-inch color touchscreen provides cutting-edge control, while onboard slicing lets you download any file and print directly from Robo R2 without a computer or other compatible device. And the Robo app lets you connect and print from your iPhone or iPad, monitor your print, and much more.
Hey, I'm V. Nice to meet you. I live inside these biosensing earphones. They sense your heartbeat, motion, touch, and more. Your music, your calls, and even yours truly will all sound amazing. I come with an app that lets you personalize me. I'll use your data to adapt my training to you. Tell me your goals, and I'll help you reach them. I'll even say your name. Hey, Steve, you ready to run?
Yeah, I'm ready. How am I doing?
You've run 2.3 miles in 17 minutes and 8 seconds. Let's get your step reading check. Step to this beat. You're at your ideal pace for burning fat.
Oh, snap! Somebody just flipped into beast mode.
Almost there. Give me everything you've got.
You just don't quit, do you?
You toe up your distance record of 8 miles. See? We make a great team. So let's go. Together. I'm V, and I'm just getting started. You ready? Ready to move? Hey! Let's do this. Good hustle, Sarah. Now let's walk it out.
How am I doing?
You've got 1.5 miles left. Heart rate sensor on. Eyes on the prize. And nailed it.